Hey guys, it's Mariah. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing the Sounds of Madness by Shinedown, the deluxe edition with Junkies for Fame. Again, like I said, I maybe have listened to these songs maybe once or twice. So, see how this goes. Shameless plugins. Patreon is where I'll do the album review. And EV Soldier 96 is gaming is where you go for gaming content from moi. Links are in my bio, all that good stuff. If I had one issue where the link for my gaming channel didn't work. If it doesn't work for you, it's literally EV Soldier 96's gaming. Just enter that manually. Look for the Evanescence symbol. You'll find me pretty easily. Alright, with all that said and done, here goes Junkies for Fame. Oops, wrong button. Sunset, Broadway, all the streets are light, neon billboards that make me feel alive. I don't think they take me serious. No more life makes me delirious. Ever think of changing your name for all the attention you can gain? Has anybody told you that you're vain? Don't bow down, sit us on the floor. Are we junkies for fame? Because it's burning our brains when we wake up. We need to stay up. You know you like it. I've always been a junkie for fame. Are we just junkies for fame? Get rich, get high, get drunk on your desire. Stay back, relax, now watch me start a fire. I don't think they take me serious. No more life makes me delirious. Ever think of changing your name for all the attention you can gain? Has anybody told you you're vain? Now bow down to sinners on the floor. Are we just junkies for fame? Because it's burning our brains. We wake up when we needed to stay up. You know I like it. Always been a junkie for fame. Why? Not bad for like the first or second time hearing it, huh? Ever think of changing your name so everybody think you're a saint? Anybody told you you ain't bow down to sinners on the floor? Look at these junkies for fame. Because it's burning our brains when we wake up that we needed to stay up. You know I like it. Always been a junkie for fame. Are we just junkies for fame? Because it's all burning our brains when we wake up that we needed to stay up. You know I like it. I've always been a junkie for fame. Are we just junkies for fame? Are we just junkies for fame? Are we just junkies for fame? I've always been junkies for fame. Literally my first or second time hearing it. I'm not 100% sure. But, nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed it, got something out of it. Again, if you have any requests, I promise to be more thorough when I go to master the songs if you request it. I promise. But, nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed. I gotta get out of here. Peace.